Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Briana. I hope you've had a good Tuesday so far. Today we're going to be going over page 167 in your Abeka curriculum. Today we're going to be looking at pictures and you're going to be saying the name and then you're going to be choosing the word underneath that goes with the name of the picture. So I have an example for us to do. As you can see, Miss Briana drew a picture that's a picture of a cat. So if you would see the cat, then you'll look at the two words at the bottom and try to decide which word says the word cat. So you'll look at it. The first word, there's a letter C, A, and N. So if you sounded it out, it would be k, an, can. And the next word has the letters C, A, and T. If you sounded that one out, it would be k, at, cat. So we've chosen or sounded out the two words. Now you have to choose which one says cat. So you would circle the one that spells C-A-T for cat. So that's the exact same thing we're going to be doing on page 167. If you want to go ahead and grab your pencil and get ready to write, be sure you have your pencil and you're grabbing close to the end, a nice tight grip. And we're going to go ahead and put our name on top, then stop. And as you're writing your name, think of where all of your letters need to go, whether it be upstairs, downstairs, or basement. So let's write our name. Okay. We're going to do the first one together so we can make sure we know exactly what we're doing. On the first one, you have a picture here, and her name is Jill. Jill. So you're going to look at the two words on the bottom and decide which word says Jill. And you want to go through and sound out each word. So Jill. I'm pretty sure that's it, but we're going to check the other one just in case. And then your second word is jam. So we know the first one is right. That says Jill, and you're going to circle it. Okay. So now we're going to go through and do the rest of them. I'm going to say the name of the picture and you're going to sound out the words at the bottom to try to choose the correct name. If you need help with a letter or with a word, just go ask your mom and dad and I'm sure they'll be able to help. Okay, the first one is a picture of a cap. Cap. The second one is a picture of a bib. Bib. And remember, you're choosing the word that spells the picture correctly. Egg. His name is Tim. And then this is the number 10. Okay. And remember, if you need any extra help on those, to grab your mom or dad, and I'm sure they'd be glad to help. But let's go through and just double check and make sure that we have them right. And so you can give yourself a big smiley face on top. Okay, this is a picture of a cap. So you're going to look at these two words and I hear k-ap. At the beginning, I think I hear a C instead of an M. So I'm going to circle C-A-P because that spells cap. This is a bib, b-ib. So I hear a B at the beginning. So I'm going to look for which word has a B at the beginning, and it's the B-I-B. So I'm going to circle that one. Egg. I hear an E and I hear a G. So the only word I see here that has an E and a G is this one. So I'm going to circle E-G-G for egg. Tim. I hear a T-M. So I'm going to choose this word, T-I-M, for Tim. And remember that names also start with a capital letter, so that would have been a good hint on that one. His name is Tim, and this one starts with a capital letter. And the next one is the number 10, T-N. So I'm going to circle this second word, T-E-N. Okay? If you did an excellent job on that page and got all of them right, or maybe you just missed one or two, and you fixed them, go ahead and give yourself a smiley face on top for excellent work. And now we're going to turn to the back. And this is a little bit different, but I think you'll catch catch on pretty easily. You just have to count the bears and circle the number that comes first, and then you're going to color your bears. The first one they did for you, but we're just going to go over it again. You have the numbers 1 and 2, and then what comes after 2? It would be 3. And then you can go ahead and write your number 3 in that bear. Okay. The next one, we'll do this one. You have 7, 8, and what comes after 8? That would be 9. So you want to circle the 9, find the 9 and circle it, and then write the 9 on your sheet. And then our last one, you have 12, 13. What comes after 13? The number 14, that's correct. So you're going to circle the number 14, and you're going to write it on your bear. Okay? And if you'd like to, you can go back now and either color the bears brown, or you can color them the color of their bow tie. I hope you'll have a great afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.